sometimes we get like stuck in a rut of doing the same thing over and over and over again. And today, that involves the 4th time in a row of going to Target. But we just love Target. And going to Target doesn't feel the same as like going to Walmart 4 days in a row.
Granted, I did that yesterday too.
4 times?
And Target, not 4 times.
Oh. Can you see this rainbow? It's so pretty. You might not be able to see it at all. There it is a little bit, I think. Anyway, we're driving home, leaving Fayetteville. We literally came up here for Learning Oasis and Target. Which is the way I say Target, the proper way. And anywho, so we're driving home and there's this pretty rainbow and a pretty husband.
Hi.
So this little man just came out from his room with his puppies. They're usually just hanging out by his teepee. And he just had to bring both of them out. Ryan made us burgers with fries, the cheesy fries. I have a side pickle. Red is having a deconstructed burger with fries and pickle.
Hi.
So anyway, that's what we're having. And then we're also watching this movie. It's called Moana. And here's the man. Hey.
He tried so very hard to find his way back home. Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin was home by end of day. Isn't that nice? He's home with his mommy and his daddy and his big brother. How about that? Fish and the yellow warbler. Looky there. Redster likes blueberries, don't you?
Hello. Well, we have had a pretty good day other than Brett being kind of sickly. So he's been coughing most of the day. And he's kind of had a rough night trying to get to sleep. And he's been coughing in his sleep. So it's probably going to be a rough night for Mommy and me. But I'll probably sleep a lot more than she does because I've got to work in the morning. But we did go to Fayetteville and got to ride around the new car some more, so that was nice. And we of course I think we showed earlier, we went to Target and to Learning Oasis, so Ashley could get some things for her classroom and look at some stuff for Rhett, because they have 15% off right now for teachers, I guess. And then she's going to do the same thing tomorrow here in Fort Smith. So, but anyways, well, it's been a good day, and here's to a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.